I know from time to time you're probably gonna click on some of my recipes and look at the ingredients and think, I don't have half of these lying around in my kitchen, Amanda. But not for this recipe. This is one of those that I can almost guarantee you have everything lying around somewhere. Hi, if you're new here, I'm Amanda, aka Fit Food AE, and today we're gonna be making a high protein, low calorie air fryer cookie, a quick and easy one. So if you're excited to see me make this recipe, please give this video a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends, as it really helps the channel, and I post similar recipes to this every week. And with that, let's get started with the recipe. So yeah, you are gonna need an air fryer for this recipe. So if you don't have one of those, I suggest hopping on Amazon and buying one. I do have a link to one of the air fryers I own in my Amazon store, which is linked in the description. But any air fryer will do. So you're gonna grab a bowl and add your first ingredient, which are the quick oats. Next, add in some baking powder. Then you're gonna add your protein powder. So guess what brand I used? PE Science, obviously. It was really dumb, but you guys know I use PE Science, I work with them, I've always loved their products. This is the cake pop flavor. You could use vanilla, white chocolate macadamia, or anything you have lying around really. This is a whey casein blend. I haven't tested this recipe with just whey, but if you do let me know, it should still work. If you do want to purchase PE Science, please use my discount code FIT15. So for this first wet ingredient, I decided to add mashed pure pumpkin because that's just what I happen to have on hand. If you don't have this though, you can mash up ripe banana. As you can see, since I added the mashed pumpkin, this recipe turned out quite Halloween-esque, which is interesting for July, but I'll take it. Next, you're gonna add in some light butter or margarine. So I just use Baysell Light. This is 50% less calories than regular margarine, and I melt it in the microwave for like 10 seconds before pouring it in. Next, add in some unsweetened almond milk and vanilla extract. Mix that all together thoroughly. And then pour in some mini chocolate chips. So now you're gonna go to your air fryer and then actually line the basket with some parchment paper and then spray it with cooking spray. So you're gonna form the dough into a ball until it looks like this. Make sure it's like a rounded shape and not flat or anything like that. You can kind of see in the video what I'm talking about. So now I air fried this for 7 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Of course, every air fryer is gonna be different, but I'd recommend putting it on 350 and then maybe putting it in for 5 minutes and then checking from there. It also depends on the consistency that you want. Like if you want it to be more underbaked / gooey or raw, as some of you like to comment, but that's how I prefer my desserts, okay? And now you're done and you can dig in. I love how it's so gooey. Taste test. Okay, I just love the texture of this cookie. I probably have chocolate in my teeth, but it's so like soft and gooey and sweet, and I just love the texture. And this cookie's so versatile too. I'm definitely gonna make more types of recipes for you guys to try. But yeah, the perfect breakfast or snack. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did like this recipe, then I'm sure you love quick and easy recipes. So I'm gonna link a couple of other ones that you should watch next on the screen. And please be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and share with your friends, as it really helps the channel, and I post similar recipes to this every week. And with that, I will see you guys next time. Bye.